While doing an assessment on a student that is interested in our services, one of our top tutors asked the student to do a subtraction problem that requires regrouping and discovered that the student did not know how to do it. So our tutor explained how place value works and how it is used with addition and subtraction. After watching this video lesson, there are worksheets for using base 10 blocks for building and representing numbers. Then there are worksheets for using these blocks with place value for adding and subtracting numbers. This is done first without regrouping and then later with regrouping. It is important for students to learn not only the procedure for adding or subtracting multiple digit numbers, but to also understand how our base 10 number system works and why regrouping is used. Understanding these concepts helps students to remember how to do them as they can follow the reasoning behind doing each of the steps. If students just rotely memorize the procedural steps without understanding the reason behind them, it is easy for them to forget how to do those steps later, which is most likely what happened with this student when she was originally taught how to add and subtract multiple digit numbers.
5 minutes, 7? No,
Well,
wait.
what they do is they take something from here and they take one piece from here and leave 4, and then they put 10 over here. Do you know the difference between like why I was able to take 1 and make it a 10 here? You know how that works?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. The reason for that is because all the numbers, the place that they have, when you put them in a different place, they mean something different. So, for example, what number is this?
17.
Right, you know that number. And what number is this?
71.
Right, but they're both a 7 and a 1. Why are they something different?
Oh.
Right? Yeah, what's that about? The reason is because the position makes the meaning of the number change.
Okay.
So if the 7 moves from this spot to this spot, it's not 7 little 1 pieces, it's 7 blocks of 10.
Okay.
So that position means 10 at a time. In fact, we could visualize that really quickly. Let me give you some things so you can think what I'm talking about here.
Okay.
So imagine, you see how many we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one of these. And 0 little single pieces. If I had little single pieces, they would be kind of like this. Oh, that's huge. Let me make that a little smaller. They'd be like that.
Right.
Right? So the spot that it's in means something different. And if it's in the spot over here, that spot means not even 10. It means 100. You're counting how many hundreds are there. So each spot counts something different. So here's the little 100 guy. That's crazy. That's 100 little squares, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're pretty small, yeah. So imagine if I had 3. Oh, I turned it by accident. Hold on. Imagine if I had, let's just talk about these 3 things right here. Let's move them over here. Oops, I grabbed the 1 by accident. I don't need that. So if I go like this, this is 3 10s right here. And this is 1 1. One little 1 piece, right? So this is 31. Yeah, so this spot counts this kind of thing. So it's 10 of them, and another 10 of them, and another 10 of them. See, I have 1, 2, 3 of them, so I put a 3. And then here, this spot counts this kind. So if I change my numbers and I want to go, not this, I want to change them and put them in different spots. Put the 1 in the front and the 3 in the back. Now my 1 is counting these ones. And I only have that. And then here I have 1, 2, 3. I'm just saying that they're using the same little symbol, but a different spot makes it mean something totally different.
Right.
Right. So that's called, so what it means is called its value. And the place is called the place value. So for these numbers over here, when you have 50, let's count that out. Let's see how do we make a 50?
Okay.
This is a 5 and a 0, right? To make a 50, we know that that's a 50. So this is counting how many tens, how many of these. And this is counting how many ones. Yeah, it's the spot that counts it.
Okay.
That spot counts tens and that spot always counts ones. So we would have 5 of these kind. Five of those and none of these. It says 0 of those.
Mm-hmm.
But then it tells me, how many did it ask me to take away? I can't even remember. Oh, 17.
17.
17, right?
Yeah.
It tells me take off 17 of those, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I don't have any little ones to be like 1, 2.
Right.
But I can take one of these and put it over there. I can take this 1. Now I can take 7 from it, right? Now I could go like this. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and have 3 left over.
Gotcha.
Right?
Yeah.
So in the numbers, if we're not thinking about what we're seeing, we just look at the numbers.
Mm-hmm.
The numbers look like this. 50 minus, this is what the problem says, right?
Mm-hmm.
I have this to start, and they want me to take this. But I didn't have what they were asking me for, right?
Right.
So I take 1. And I put it here. But when I moved one of those, I'm moving one stick of 10. So that's why it comes here as a 10.
So take 5 off and then put 10 on top.
Yeah, we took one of these. How many did we have left when we took one? We have these.
4.
Right, that's why the 5 becomes a 4.
Oh, so you go below the number.
So it was, yeah, so this one here was 4 left. And then when I brought the 1 over, it was one stick of 10 that I was putting on the other side. And that's why I was able to go 7 minus, or 10 minus the 7. Did we take it off? We did, right?
Yeah.
So those are gone. Here, I could even erase them like they're gone. What do we have left?
3.
We have those 3, so that's what we put right here.
Okay.
And then it tells us, take that.
For my 1.
What do we have?
3.
3, that's right.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense now.
Right? That makes more sense to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just because the different places mean a different kind of thing.
Gotcha.
That's what it is. Yeah. This place is counting these. That's what this place counts. This place is counting these kind.
Okay.
That makes more sense to you?
Yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
Okay, good.